Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add poll on Instagram Reels. The first thing you will need to do is go into the Instagram app. Once on Instagram, you're going to tap on the plus in the top right hand corner. Then you'll select Reel. And from here, you can go ahead and create the reel like you would normally do. After you have done that, you're going to tap on next. Let me remove the sound. After you have selected next, you're going to tap on the sticker icon, which would be the third icon from the top right hand corner. It's right beside the 3 stars. You're going to tap on the sticker. Then you will see the option poll. You're going to tap on that. And from here, you can ask the question that you want. And then you can put the answers right here. And you can also change the color by tapping on the color circle right there. As you can see, then you will tap on done. And that's it. You can now post your poll on your Instagram reel. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to create poll on Instagram reels.